Hi, my name is Caleb with Leisure Time. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your filters for your hot tub. This one is just one we have extra sitting around. Obviously it's clean and fresh, brand new. To enter into your filter, you're going to just take your lid off. You've got a nut down here you're going to let loose. Today this guy is running and we're not cleaning this filter, but you would take this nut loose, pop this filter out, and you are ready to go. Before you take your filter out, you're going to turn your breaker off to your hot tub so you've got no power moving through and no jets or pumps or heaters are trying to run. What you're going to do with your filter after you take it out is you're going to grab yourself a 5-gallon bucket and you're going to add 4 gallons of water into it, and then you're going to add 16 ounces of our filter clean. You can pick this up in our showroom at Leisure Time off Fairview. You're going to put your filter into the bucket. You're going to let it soak for at least 3 hours, maybe overnight, depending on how dirty they are, how clean they need to be. And once you get it out of your bucket, the next day or after the 3 hours is up, you're going to rinse it down with a hose. Does not matter the water pressure or whatnot. You're just trying to get the mineral and the chemical out of the filters before you install into your hot tub. Once you've got that filter taken out of the bucket, rinsed down, you're going to go back into your filter area, throw your filter in the exact same way you took it out, tighten up your nut so your filter isn't loose or moving around at all. Your filter might have a threading. Make sure your filter is tight on the threads. Throw your breaker back on, throw your chemical in there, and you should be good to go. That is a filter clean, and that is how I do it.